Peter Eliades with you, Stock Market Cycles update for Tuesday, March 3rd, 2020. Going to be a quick one today. We do have further projections outstanding. I shouldn't say there are many. This is on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. However, we showed this one to you 2 days ago. Actually, it was on Friday. And the big rally yesterday almost invalidated it, but did not do that. We came back down again today. So this projection on the Dow is a very big range, because notice the big difference. This blue closing price line went below the dark blue line way up here, didn't go below the red line until way down here. So that's why you have this large box for the projection window calling for 22,605 and change to 24,742. So that's a very wide projection box, and supposedly the projection software is telling us we're going down there. The only way to avoid that is only two things can happen when the projection is given. It's either met or it's invalidated. It's met by coming into the box. It's invalidated by moving back above the lines which generated the projection. So there are lower projections outstanding. So what does that mean for the shorter term? Don't start trying to predict the market from day to day, up today, down tomorrow, up this day, and whatever. That's a losing game. The projections give you a really good picture of what's going on with the market. We told you yesterday, in fact, we did a little short-term predicting, saying that we thought a certain thing would take place, and we'll show you. That's the next chart we're going to show you. Okay, here's the chart that we showed you yesterday. This stuff is magical. It's just amazing. We showed you this yesterday, and this is a 1.75 to 2.0 trading day offset. We don't usually use one that short on the closing price chart, so that would be a nominal 5-day projection. But when we get this kind of volatile market with huge moves intraday and from day to day, sometimes it pays off to use it. And we did it yesterday, and we showed you that we came right into the projection window yesterday with a huge move to the upside, the largest, by far largest point move for the Dow to the upside in history. But look what happened. This is on the S&P we've switched to now, but it came right inside the projection box. We told you at that time, but because of that, we thought that we might well have a down move again from there on a closing basis. Because had we had a further upside move, the next projection would have taken you all the way up towards the old highs, and there was no way I thought that was going to occur. Again, that was thinking, that was speculating what's going to happen the next day. It's not what the projection software told you. All they told you here was, hey, you moved into the projection window. There's a short-term reason why you might turn around from here. And indeed, that's what we did today. So now the next most important offset becomes the next group of offsets up, which is 3.5 to 4 days. That's the next chart I'm going to show you. Okay. Here is the 3.5 to 4 day offset. Now, this is where we were yesterday, and I told you yesterday that if we were to close up again above both of these offset lines, then that would be the halfway move, and you go up 1, 2, 3.5, 1, 2, 3.5. You'd be back towards the old highs again. There's no way I saw that occurring, and for that reason, I thought we might get a move down today on a closing basis. Now, if we have a rally, we can get a rally tomorrow that will take us up around to this same level again, and you can say that on Elliott wave basis, you did this is the first big wave down, and we're doing an A, B, C perhaps into tomorrow. Again, this is speculation on my part. The cycle projection does not tell us that's necessarily going to happen. On a very short-term basis, there are no very short-term cycle projections outstanding. But you can see what could happen here. If we get a rally up, it's going to hit the red and the blue line very closely, and so there's not that much potential to the upside on the very short term. And if I had to guess, I would guess that we're going to get another move to the upside tomorrow. Not necessarily going to happen, just a guess. Because remember, we still have that much lower projection outstanding in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And that's all I'm going to show you today. There's nothing more to show you. Thanks for watching. If you hadn't subscribed yet, bottom right, click on the red banner for subscribing, and then click on the bell. Put in your email address, and as soon as we do a new update, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching.